I fixed this battery. Oh yeah, it works now. But here's the real reason. Was it actually worth it? Was it actually worth fixing? At the last test, this spark was completely unusable. One weak cell was shutting everything down. So I tried fixing it and brought it back. But now we need to be honest, it is actually a good solution. Which one is best? After the fix, the battery is definitely better. It can handle load, it doesn't shut off anymore, and is usable again. So yes, the fix works. Alright, moment the truth. Let's test the pack again. Here we go. That's already better. The voltage is holding much more stable than before. So yeah, this is a big improvement. But how good is it? Really? For reference, you know this is an original Makir battery. Let's run the same test. That's what a healthy pack looks like. Now let's go back to the repaired one. And honestly, it's not far off. That's impressive. If you like real tests like this, when we actually see what works, it's a bribe. There's a lot more coming. Now let's talk about effort. Fixing a battery like this takes time, tools, and some experience. And there's always risk. If you do it wrong, you can make it worse. So, when is it worth fixing? If it's just one bad cell and the rest are still healthy, then yeah, it's worth trying. When it's not, but if multiple cells are weak or the puck is already old, it's usually not worth it. At that point, you'd better off replacing it. So, is fixing a battery worth it? Sometimes, yes, but not always. You just need to know when it makes sense. So, what would you do? Fix it or replace it? And why? I test and break down batteries like this all the time. So, if you want to see what actually works, it's a bribe.